Lovely guys, I'm going to make a beautiful couscous recipe today. We got also this is my chickpeas right here. I got a tin of chickpeas, mushroom, mixed pepper, white onion, spring onion, garlic, and some couscous. Let's put this aside. What I'm going to do is get a medium-sized bowl and cut up all of my vegetables inside of it. All right. So we're just gonna cut up the mushroom because the mushroom is very important for us. Mushroom is a very good veg for weight loss, speed food, a lot of stuff. Peppers, I'm gonna use this is the red pepper and yellow pepper. White onion. Spring onion. Garlic. 3-clove garlic. Beautiful. This is it. Beautiful. What we're going to do is fry them off and healthy recipe. Spray oil. And all of your vegetables. If it's going to stick, all you need to do, put a little bit of water in it. Alright. All this my fans and it doesn't need oil to cook with. Them laugh. But it doesn't need oil. Look at this. fresh and nice. No butter, no oil. Put in your chickpeas. Turn on your stove a little bit, not too high. Little bit of mixed herb. Pepper, not too much. Teaspoon of vegetable season. That lovely stir. This is healthy recipe. This is some veg stock for flavor. Just gonna put a little bit of water inside of it. I'm using boiling water from the kettle. A little bit more water. Just taste it to see how it tastes. Perfect. That is amazing. Slim mushroom is cook. That is fantastic. Make it boil for a few seconds. Amazing. And you have a lot of flavor to it. Now what we're going to do is turn off my stove. Stove is off. This is the secret bit now. Let's pour some couscous inside of it. Not a lot, just a little bit, because you have to be careful with the couscous. Because remember, you don't want your couscous to be dry. You want it to have a little bit of liquid. That's how I like it. So that's the couscous inside of it now. Because you don't want it to be dry out, you know. So what I'm going to do is just wrap it. Clean flame it just like this. And put it at the side for it to cook for about 15 minutes. Couscous on the menu. Again, finished, done and dusted. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's taste it. Alright. This is finished. Alright. That's exactly what we're talking about. Couscous with chickpeas. Very easy and simple to make at home. Stay tuned. Nice one. So basically we got couscous, alright, plus we got this nice lovely stir fry curly K, very healthy. And it's a very good food. Most people call it speed food. And this is our prawn. These are the large prawn. With some roast tomato at the side. Can't go wrong. Look at that eyes. Beautiful. Let's put a little bit more of this curly K because this is the most important part. Look at the liquid on it. Make it keep fresh and moisture. Lovely. Look at that. Just amazing. I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for watching Chef Ricardo Show. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas that will come in. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell. I will see you next time with more recipe in the kitchen. Bye bye.